make sure to stay till the end. It may not be the fuse, or you may need a special procedure after replacing the fuse. We'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you're trying to find the fuse for the trunk release, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, and we'll also talk if your trunk doesn't open, how you can manually open the trunk, and we'll mention what else could be causing your trunk not to open. All that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. Most people will do one thing, guys. This is a 2018 Dodge Challenger that we'll demonstrate on, and they will open the hood and they will be looking, guys, for that fuse actually right here in that fuse box. You can see, but it's not here, guys. We have another fuse box that's practically for the body control module, and that fuse box you need to come towards the back. You can see car was in a little bit of an accident here, nothing too terribly bad. We'll be fixing it soon. Runs and drives like a champ. So we'll go ahead and open the trunk of that Dodge Challenger. When you do that, you're going to come here and you will open, okay, the cover. We'll just lift it up where your spare tire and car battery is located. Now, for some fuses, guys, it's recommended to disconnect the car battery before removing fuse or relay. Now on these modern cars, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn computers, modules, and that can, guys, cost you thousands of dollars. How we know that? We made that mistake. So there is a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. So when you come right here, you can see that's the fuse box. We're going to press here and open it up just like that. Which fuse we need to check, guys? Now let's just mention why it's super important to test fuses, because sometimes you cannot see if a fuse is burned, and let's say you think it's a good fuse but it's actually bad. You will put it back in and you will start spending time and money to fix a problem that doesn't exist. Just not worth it. Always test fuses, relays, guys. I'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. The fuse for the trunk release now, guys, this is for the trunk release as well. If you come right here and you count from fuse number 1 on left side, even if you have a missing one, you still count it. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 fuse in a row from left to right, but it's actually known as fuse number F07. That's the one for the trunk release, and you pull it out like that. Now, if the trunk doesn't open, guys, okay, it could be something else. We have a special video why trunk doesn't open on Dodge Challenger. Check this thing out. And also we have a video how to manually open a trunk, guys, okay, that is stuck. Okay, that can cause that problem as well. And in some cases, if you want to see how to replace the trunk switch, we'll have the video on the channel too. But in some cases, what you might need to do, you may need to use a scanner like that if a fuse is burned on Dodge Jeep Chryslers, guys. This scanner works on any car. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features. But you may need to, guys, reset the computer's codes. Sometimes you may get a code, and this computer can access every computer system, read codes, delete codes, see live data. And some of these modern cars, like this BMW right there, guys, they have more than 50 computers, so you need a scanner like that. Reset the codes and see if that fixes the problem. If not, check out, we have a video that explains why trunk doesn't open on Dodge Challenger. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.